Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to be working on this McLaren 720S. It's a 2020 model. It's a brand new car and unfortunately it has a door ding on the right quarter panel. So today we're going to fix this with the glue pulling method. I'm going to go over and show you the dent, show you how we set up and use glue pulling to repair dents with Paintless Dent Repair, and then we'll show you the finished results at the end. Guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. Let's go ahead and get started.
So as you can tell, we're not dealing with a very large dent here. This is just a common typical door ding that you're going to find when someone carelessly opens up their door into the side of your car, which unfortunately happens all too often. Now on McLarens, the quarter panel access is very limited. There's not a lot of area to get a tool inside there and shape it out, so that's why we chose to use the glue pull method that you're going to see here in a minute. Now this panel is also made out of aluminum, which is a harder type of metal to repair than traditional steel panel, so that kind of ups the challenge factor a little bit on this type of repair. So we're spraying down the panel with alcohol to clean it off, make sure we get all the contaminants off of the panel so that the glue will adhere down to the paint, giving us a nice good seal so that when we go to use our slide hammer, we get maximum pull from our tab. So we're sitting a dime-sized tab with a drop of glue right in the center of the dent. We're gonna get our slide hammer and we're gonna give it a few tugs until the tab pops off. Once we clean that glue off with alcohol, we're gonna have a high spot underneath there that we're gonna have to deal with as well. We're gonna use a hammer and knockdown to basically tap that metal back down till it's perfectly flat, getting the contour back so that there's no evidence that there was ever a dent in that panel. We're finished with the repair, and as we pan over the area, you can tell that there's absolutely no evidence there was ever a dent in that quarter panel. So 100% repair, paintless, no Bondo, no filler, maintains the factory finish. And on a brand new car like this, especially a McLaren, you want to be able to keep that factory paint as long as possible.
Guys, again, I really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That always helps us out and we appreciate that. Also, if you have a dent on your vehicle and you'd like to get in touch with us, you can find us at dentrepairgeorgia.com, or if you'd like to give us a call, the number is 678-544-3004. Maybe you don't like to make phone calls, you'd rather just shoot an email. That's fine. The email is propdrofga@gmail.com. All right, guys, again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.